Hi guys, so today we are going to try a few questions of JEE Mains PYQs 2025. Now let's look at this particular question. By looking at it, it looks like an inverse question, but it's a relation function question. So as we all know, we have to figure out domain of both these functions, and then we have to take intersection of them, because we only need the common part where both the functions values are applicable. So what is the as we all know that domain of sine inverse and cos inverse is -1 to 1. So let's take first range, -1 to 1, 2x minus 5 by 11 minus 3x is less than equal to 1, and another -1 to 1, 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is less than equal to 1. Now let's simplify this equation first. It looks easier. So one thing we'll get is 2x square minus 3x plus 2 is greater than equal to 0, and 2x square minus 3x is greater than equal to, is less than equal to 0. I'm sorry, is less than equal to 0. Okay. Now moving on, this particular equation, if you look at the discriminant of this quadratic, that will be d will be 9 minus 16, so less than equal to 0. Less than 0 means this equation will always be positive. So we don't need to worry about this. If we talk about this particular equation, let's factorize it. So x into 2x minus 3 is less than equal to 0. As we know, the method of interval 0 and 3 by 2. Let's put any value between them or anywhere of any interval. So let's put 1. So if we put 1 in this equation, we get negative. So negative, then alternate, positive, positive. And we need less than equal to 0. So from this we get x belongs to 0 to 3 by 2 closed interval. Alright, so this is our one of the solution which we got from sine inverse. Now moving to the second equation which we got from the cos inverse domain is 2x minus 5 by 11 minus 3x is between -1 to 1. Now we will solve these both equations separately. So 2x minus 5 by 11 minus 3x is greater than equal to 0, and 2x minus 5 by 11 minus 3x plus 1 is greater than equal to 0, and 2x minus 5 by 11 minus 3x minus 1 is less than equal to 0. So 2x minus 5 plus 11 minus 3x by 11 minus 3x is greater than equal to 0. And for this, 2x minus 5 minus 11 plus 3x by 11 minus 3x is less than equal to 0. So again, by method of interval, this will become 6 minus x by 11 minus 3x is greater than equal to 0, and this equation becomes 5x minus 16 by 11 minus 3x is less than equal to 0. Now let's apply method of interval in both. So 11 by 3, which is somewhere around 3.66666, just to get a reference of it, comma 6. Now let's put, if we put 0 in this equation, so yes, 0 satisfies this equation. That means positive, negative, positive, right? Similarly for this, now 5x minus 16, which means x is equal to 16 by 5. Now this particular value 16 by 5 is 5.3333. Sorry, 3.3333. And 11 by 3 is 3.6666. So this will be on the left hand side of 11 by 3. If I put 0 in this equation, I get negative. What will I get? If I put 0, I'll get negative. So negative, positive, then negative. Is that clear? So, and we need negative. Okay. So, for this, the equation was greater than equal to 0. That means minus infinity to 11 by 3 union 6 to infinity. Okay. And for this, minus infinity to 16 by 5 union 11 by 3 to infinity. Is that clear? Yes. Now, I need now tell me, we'll take union or intersection? We'll take intersection. So 16 by 5 is smaller than 11 by 3. So minus infinity to 16 by 5 union 6 is greater than 11 by 3. So 6 to infinity. Right? Now, this is the solution which we got from cos inverse. And our previous solution was 0 to 3 by 2. So 0 to 3 by 2. So clearly we have an answer which will be 0 to 3 by 2, because if I find the intersection of these two, it will be 0 to 3 by 2. So the answer is 0 to 3 by 2. So what do we need? We need alpha plus 2 beta. So that's we get 0 plus 2 into 3 by 2. Answer is 3. I hope you guys understood this. Thank you.